In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize mobile performance in Wix Studio. To get started, open Wix and head to your home page. From there, click on Design Site to enter the editor. If it takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, so just give the site a few seconds to open fully before making any changes. It's always best to wait until everything is visible and responsive so you can work smoothly inside the editor. Once your site is open, you'll be inside the main editing view. This is where you can adjust how your website appears across different screen sizes. Since we're focusing on mobile performance, the next thing you want to do is move your attention to the top right area of the page. In that section, you'll find the breakpoint controls that let you switch between different device views. Go ahead and click on the mobile breakpoint. This changes your workspace into the mobile version of your site, which is important because mobile visitors often need a faster, cleaner experience than desktop users. Large visuals or heavier design elements can sometimes slow things down on smaller devices, so this view helps you decide what should stay visible and what can be hidden for mobile. Next, locate the heavy element you want to remove from the mobile layout. This could be something like a large image, a decorative section, or another design feature that isn't essential on a phone screen. Right-click that element and select Hide. This tells Wix Studio to keep the element out of the mobile version without deleting it entirely from your site. After you do that, look toward the pop-up or panel on the left side. You should see a label that says Hidden on Mobile. That confirmation is useful because it lets you know the change has been applied specifically to the mobile breakpoint. In other words, you're not removing the content from your desktop design. You're only preventing it from appearing on mobile devices. This is a simple but effective way to improve mobile performance. By hiding heavy elements on mobile, you help your site load faster, feel less cluttered, and become easier to navigate on smaller screens. At the same time, your desktop visitors can still see the full version of your design, so you're improving performance without sacrificing your overall content. That's it. With just a few clicks in Wix Studio, you can create a more streamlined mobile experience while keeping your desktop design intact.